All right, so looking at lesson worksheet 5, let's do 2 together. So the idea here is we want to write the system of inequalities for the graph we have below. So working backwards, we need to create the equation of the line. So I got negative 5, 0, and negative 6, 5. So I need a slope. 0 minus 5, negative 5 minus negative 6, negative 5 over 1. So my slope is negative 5. Go to point slope form. I go y minus 0, negative 5, x plus 5, y equals negative 5x minus 25. All right, there's my equation, but we need the inequality. So in this situation, I have a dotted line, so that means it's going to be a less than or equal to. Now, it is negative sloping and we're below. It's sometimes not as obvious when it's almost a perfectly straight line. So in this situation, we are less than because we're below. Y is less than negative 5x minus 25. If I look at an example like 8, we got multiple lines going on. All right, so I got x equals negative 9. I got y equals 5. And I got to do some work here. So I got the points negative 9, 1. And I got negative 3, 5. So 5 minus 1, negative 3 minus negative 9, 4 over 6 for 2/3. So if I go y minus 1, 2/3 x plus 9, y minus 1 is 2/3 x plus 6. Y equals 2/3 x plus 7. All right, now we got the equations. Well, let's right there. We need the inequality. We need the system set up. So I got a dotted line for x, and I'm shaded to the right. So x is greater than negative 9. I'm below the y line, and it's solid. Y is less than or equal to 5. I'm above the y equals 2/3 x plus 7. I have a solid line, so y is greater than or equal to 2/3 x plus 7. That is the system we have there. And at every point in here, if I took that point right there, if I took that point right there, that point right there, if I plug them into my system, they have to mathematically make sense. So if we wanted to try one right now, if I went with 8, negative 8, 3. All right, well, negative 8 is greater than negative 9, check. 3 is less than or equal to 5, check. So then we got 3 is greater than or equal to negative 8 times 2/3 plus 7. So we'd have negative 16/3 plus 21/3. That would give us 5/3, which is less than 3, so that makes sense also.